Okay guys, so I've been using this new Sunday Riley UFO serum basically on a nightly basis. I've been using it on spots specifically, a lot on those kind of under the skin ones when I've noticed them coming up. But honestly, this is my very first Sunday Riley product that I've had a chance to use. I've always heard really good things about Sunday Riley, but this is the first product I've used. I really wanted something to try and help clear my acne when I do start to get those under the skin ones. I've tried the healing dots. I used to be using Mario Bandescu a lot. I've kind of shied away from that a little bit. But I've been loving this Sunday Riley UFO, so give it a try. It is like $46 a bottle, which I know seems a little steep, but considering it's a serum, I've literally been using it a lot, and you can tell I literally haven't used anything in this bottle, so it's gonna last me forever. And obviously, you know, I've never had any product really make a pimple go away overnight, but give this guy 2 nights and it's gonna be a lot better, especially for those really big ones that you think nothing is gonna help, the planets that appear on your face. So yeah, honestly, probably a 4.8 out of 5 stars for me on this Sunday Riley UFO Acne Clarifying Serum. Give it a whirl. It's pretty good. I'm sure you could go to Sephora and ask for a sample of it. So yeah, first one down. Let's see how many more products it takes to get to glowing skin.